What do you do if you're unhappy with the way a police officer has treated you? Do you feel you received poor service from your local station? How do you make a complaint? I'm Andrew Guile, a solicitor at GN Law, and for the last 20 years I've specialised in bringing complaints and compensation claims against the police. In this video, I'm going to explain what sorts of complaints you can make. So what sorts of complaints can you make against the police? This might seem like a silly question, but it isn't. Put simply, you can complain about anything, but it's important to understand that the police view complaints as falling into two different categories: complaints against officers and complaints about how the police operate. General complaints about performance or the operation of police officers are called direction and control matters and will likely be dealt with by the local complaints inspector. Complaints against specific officers, for assault, wrongful arrest for instance, will go to the DPS, or the Directorate of Professional Standards. I will talk more about the DPS in other videos. How should officers conduct themselves? There is a code of conduct that all officers should follow. Honesty and integrity. Officers must not abuse their position. Authority, respect and courtesy. That is perhaps self-explanatory. Equality and diversity. Officers must not discriminate. Use of force must always be reasonable. Orders and instructions. Officers must only carry out lawful orders and instructions. Duties and responsibilities. Officers must not neglect their duties. Confidentiality. This applies to all things and all data that officers come into contact with. You can also complain about other things that happen or things that haven't happened that you feel should have happened. And those things might also form the basis of a compensation claim, for instance for assault or wrongful arrest. Please take a look at other videos on this site, as they may answer other questions that you have, or call me or one of my colleagues for a free chat to see if we can help. This video is designed to be a brief introduction to the topic that it covers, and we hope you found it useful. It aims to be informative and to assist people to take the next step in solving the legal problem that they may have. This video does not constitute legal advice and does not seek to solve specific legal issues. If you have a specific legal problem that you need solved, you should take expert legal advice from a solicitor.